Most welcome to class 4 subject science. Myself Mrs. Anjali Sarode, your science teacher from Tata Ken Devi Public School, Mithapur. Lesson 10 water pollution finish, and today we are going to solve exercises A, B and C. I already taught you how to solve and I have given you homework, exercise A and B. You have to check your answer A and B, and C they are going to solve. Okay, so ready? Take out book and pencil. With the help of pencil you have to write your answer in your science textbook. Okay, so check. But before start, let's revise. थोड़ा सा रिवाइज कर लेंगे. Causes of water pollution हमने देखे. Causes of water pollution, effects of water pollution and then prevention. So one, causes of water pollution, one by one. People wash their clothes, bath in river. Some people bath their cattle in river. Second, people throw domestic waste in river. Waste material and harmful chemicals from factories are often dumped in river water. Number 4, solid waste material from power plants may be thrown into the river water. Number 5, water from drain and sewage goes into rivers, and for this reason and this activity we have doing that causes of water pollution. So now next, effect of water pollution. I am repeating this again and again because you have to learn all these things. नेक्स्ट ईयर भी काम आएगी और इस साल तो आएगी ही, नेक्स्ट ईयर 12 तक तो जरूरी है. एंड दिस इज द सोशल activity and you should take care of. Yes, save water and conserve water. So now effect of water pollution. Water pollution has many harmful effects. Okay, one by one we will see. Number 1, poisonous chemicals from factories kill marine animals. देखो अंडरलाइन जो किया है ना वो आपको भी पेंसिल से अंडरलाइन करना है in your science textbook and learn. Poisonous chemical kill marine chemicals because sometimes you have confused. ऐसे सेम नजर आते हैं तो जनरली स्टूडेंट्स ऐसे कहते हैं मैम which one is the correct answer, so underline that point. Okay. Next, second number, industrial and agricultural waste increase the growth of microorganisms in water, and this can reduce the supply of oxygen for the aquatic animals. Number 3, oil spills from a cover on the surface of water. This cuts off the supply of oxygen to the animals living under water. And the 4th number, aquatic plants and animals get infected by polluted water. When other animals eat these infected animals or plants, they also become sick. Point number 5. Some people use river or pond water for drinking. Drinking polluted water may cause diseases like typhoid, diarrhea, cholera and jaundice. Number 6. When polluted water is used for irrigation, the fertility of soil gets reduced and crops can get damage. So in this way, these are the effects of water pollution. And the next, prevention of water pollution. Number 1, waste from factories and powerhouses should not be allowed to flow into river directly. These are different activities. We can do this one. Okay. Next, second number, pipe carrying sewage should be kept away from the pipes carrying drinking water. Third, water from drains or sewage should not be allowed to enter into river or well. Then fourth, people should not wash clothes or use soap if they bath in rivers. Fifth number, the use of chemical fertilizers should be minimized. Instead, natural manure should be used. All this prevention we should do. हमें इतनी केयर तो करनी ही चाहिए. So causes, effects and this is the prevention of water pollution. And now come to your point. Check your homework. First answer is the rain. Second, polluted. Okay, I am reading the sentence. 1, rain is the purest form of water. Rain answer. Second number, water containing impurities is called polluted water. Then third, chemical fertilizer and pesticides used for farmer can cause water pollution. Number 4 answer, polluted. And sentence, drinking polluted water can cause diseases like diarrhea and jaundice. Fifth, industrial and agricultural waste increase the growth of microorganism in water. So these are the answers. You have to check your answer. Already I have taught you. मैंने बताया था पहले भी और समझाया था. So only check your answer. Okay. Next exercise B. Write true or false for the following statement. Number 1, river water is the purest form of water. Is it true or false? False. Then second, polluted water may contain dust, germs and smoke. True. Number third, throwing domestic waste in river causes water pollution. This is also a true answer. Number 4, increased growth of microorganism in water increase the amount of oxygen for aquatic animals. Is it true or false? False. Increase that. Then fifth, use of chemical fertilizers help in preventing water pollution. And your answer is false. So note down all these answers. Exercise B. Okay, now we will turn next. See, tick write the correct option. Correct option से आपको write करना है. So मैं आपको homework दूँ क्या आप करेंगे? So number 1, disease that may be caused by drinking polluted water. Options are malaria, cough, cholera, dengue, and answer is cholera. Second number, polluted water should not be used for irrigation because options are it can harm aquatic animals, B, it pollutes river water, C, it reduces fertility of soil, and D, it increases the production of crops. And answer D. Note down. Now third, oil spill in the sea are harmful because they dash dash dash. Options are A, decrease the level of water in sea, B, infect the aquatic plant, C, increase the growth of microorganisms in water, D, cut off the supply of oxygen for aquatic animals. And the correct answer D. Number 4, pollution of river water can be reduced if dash dash dash. A, chemical fertilizers are used for increasing production of crops. B, farmers use sprinkling for irrigation their fields. C, water is allowed to stagnate around the river bank. And D, people do not wash clothes or bath their cattle in rivers. Answer? Which one? So, tick your correct answer, and in this way you have to solve A, B and C exercise 3, and in next video we will solve exercise D. But before you have what you will do, yes, आप आंसर चेक करके राइट इन योर बुक या मार्क करके रखो एंड देन चेक, और बाद में देखना आपको CW book में. Okay, thanks for watching this. Have a nice day. God bless you all. Thank you.